How to back up camera app settings on Windows. You can back up your camera app settings on Windows by following these steps. 1. Close the camera app if it is running. 2. Open File Explorer. 3. Navigate to the following folder, %LocalAppData %\packages /Microsoft.Windows camera _8 week 3d8 bbwi /settings 4. Copy the settings folder. To a safe location. To restore your camera app settings, you can copy the settings folder back to the same location. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. The settings folder contains all of your camera app settings, including the resolution, quality, and flash settings. If you delete the settings folder, you will lose all of your camera app settings. You can also back up your camera app settings by exporting them to a file. To do this, open the camera app and go to Settings, Export Settings.